Dear students, let's read and match the given letters with their relevant pictures. Let's read our first letter, H. Yes, it's H. Now find the related picture. Yes, very good. It's house. H is for house. Next letter is B. Read again. B. Now find the relevant picture. Excellent. It's butterfly. B is for butterfly. Next letter is Q. Read it loud. Q. Let's find picture of the object which starts from letter Q. Yes, it's a queen. Q is for queen. Next letter is M. Let's read it loud. M. Now find picture of object which starts from letter M. Yes, it's mug. M is for mug. Let's read letter L. Repeat it. L. Now match the letter L with its related picture. Yes, very good. It's lamp. L is for lamp. Now read letter K. Read it loud. K. Let's match K with the picture. Yes, K is for kite. Our next letter is Z. Read again. Z. Now match the letter Z with its related picture. Wow, it's zebra. Z is for zebra. S is next letter. Let's read it. S. Read again. S. Now match relevant picture with the letter S. Yes, it's a star. S is for star. Next letter is R. R. Read again. R. Let's match the relevant picture with the letter R. Excellent. It's rabbit. R is for rabbit. P is our next letter. P. Read again. P. Let's match P with the related picture. Wonderful. It's parrot. P is for parrot. Log on to our website www.pen.org.pk. Thank you.